Okay, now let's move forward to next module in which we are going to focus on managing meetings, collaboration, and follow-ups. Now, obviously, you got the idea that when I'm talking about meetings, we're actually going to use Microsoft Teams, or maybe we can also associate with Outlook and other tools with that. In Microsoft 365 Copilot, it streamlines collaboration across meetings and projects. You can use Copilot Chat for real-time updates and follow-through. Copilot Pages, which are also one of the tools available for live planning, and Copilot Notebooks, which is another tool for asynchronous idea sharing and decision tracking, is going to help you in this. Now, with Microsoft 365 Copilot, we are going to use these two tools in this particular module, which is basically focusing on Copilot Pages and Notebooks, using which you can capture real-time insights, you can automate note-taking, and you can keep your team aligned. This module is basically going to show you how you can use this tool to improve communication, track decisions, and boost productivity across your multiple projects. So, how can you prepare for meetings using Copilot in Outlook? Let's start with that one. Copilot in Outlook is going to help you to catch up with your team quickly by summarizing long email threads, which can obviously save your time, scheduling meetings with stakeholders, and creating an agenda to keep your meetings on track. Or maybe blocking the time for focused work, like some of the key features which includes AI-powered email management, communication coaching, integrated workflow tools, and personalized productivity. All of these four sections which we are focusing here are actually going to help you to improvise your usage of Outlook in a much appropriate way, as well as it will make you ready and prepared for your meetings. Not only that, as per Microsoft 365, it's also going to keep you focused on high value tasks while maintaining compliance and security as well. Now let's focus on enhancing meeting productivity with Copilot in Microsoft Teams. Copilot in Teams actively boosts meeting productivity by acting as a real-time assistant. During your meetings, Copilot can capture and organize notes. It can summarize key points as discussion unfold, and it's going to keep participants aligned on objectives. It monitors time, provides a gentle reminder to stay on track, and also ensures that decisions and actions items are documented without interrupting the flow of conversation. This reduces the cognitive load of attendees to allow them to focus on meaningful contributions rather than administrative tasks. When you do this thing, this is a section which we are talking about during meetings. Now, even after meeting also is going to help you a lot. Beyond note-taking, Copilot enables dynamic engagement and immediate clarity with that. It can surface relevant files, past discussions, and contextual insights right when they are needed. Now, how you can actually enable Copilot in your team meetings, if that is your question, this step is very important, which you should actually use in all of your meetings. You can select meeting options. You can set allow Copilot to either during and after the meeting, or maybe only during the meeting. It's up to you how you want to choose it. You can enable transcription and cloud recording for the full functionality, and that's where it's actually going to utilize that data in order to give you a proper insights even after the meeting is done. You can try this kind of a prompts to run with Copilot in your Teams meeting, like what are the key takeaways so far, or maybe where do we disagree, or summarize what each participant said. Create a table of pros and cons for each idea, or maybe catch up if you join late. So you can say, tell me what I missed so far. This is one of the things which I always use whenever I join my meetings late. And that's something which is really important, because you should know what someone has already mentioned so that you understand the context and then you can participate in that meeting actively. Now, another useful usage for Copilot is to summarize meeting discussions. Copilot provide a post-meeting summaries also that highlight key contributors, agreements, disagreements, and action items based on the transcript and chats. Your summaries are going to include citations for transparency. Your summaries can be exported to Word or Excel for easy sharing. And if you want to use this, you can actually access summaries by just open the recap tab in your meetings chat. You can select Copilot to view and summarize content. You can also export responses to Word or Excel if needed. This capability goes beyond transcription by adding context and prioritization. Copilot identify who said what, highlights the critical points, and even draft follow-up emails or documents based on the discussion, which can be used further. So you can actually use this kind of a prompt like draft a follow-up email for the launchpad term summarizing today's decision and next steps. Or maybe list action items from the meeting's transcript for each team member. Copilot ensures the team's follow-ups are clear, actionable, and keep everyone moving forward together. Now let's move to the next one where we streamline communication and action with Copilot Chat. Copilot Chat can help teams to keep aligned and informed by quickly drafting stakeholder updates, summarizing long chat thread, or maybe organizing discussion by topic. You can use prompts to create actionable task lists, highlight decisions, and identify unresolved issues. By leveraging Copilot Chat, you streamline communication, ensure clarity, and keep your projects on track. Now, if you want to keep everyone aligned and informed, you can actually use this kind of a prompt, which are highlighted on the slide. Like you can say, create a weekly update based on the latest launch roadmap, include risk for the next 5 days. Or maybe you can say review Teams and Outlook messages for this project and add action items for each team member, so that every team member is going to have a specific action items added for them and they know what they need to do next. Basically, this is going to help you to just not only organize your data, but also deciding the future roadmaps actions which your team members has to take. Now let's focus on streamlining communication and action with Copilot Chat. Now let's move to Copilot Notebooks. Copilot Notebooks is centralized smart workspace in Microsoft 365 that brings together files, chats, and meeting notes, everything at one place. It helps you to organize, explore, and get AI-driven insight for complex tasks without switching between apps. Now, if you have a question like what Copilot Notebooks allows you to do, then there are few things which I want to add on. First, you can ask multi-step questions and explore pros and cons. You can document rationale and decisions for future references. You can collaborate asynchronously with teammates who add comments and insights. And you can manage notebooks easily, so you can mark your favorite notebooks, rename it, delete it from the home page as you want. Now, if you have a question is why should we use notebook? Well, then I want to answer like this, that so imagine that you are an account executive who's preparing for a strategic pitch to prospective retail client. You want to consolidate your research, you have to align your messages, and you have to deliver a compelling proposal without switching between apps or losing track of feedback. You can accomplish this workflow by easily using Copilot Notebooks. As you can show in this graphics, which is visible on the slide, some of the example prompts which we have given to help you to illustrate the actions which are shown in above section. For example, you can start with creating a notebook, then you can add reference material, you can summarize insights onto that, and when you do this thing, you can focus on drafting your proposal, then generate an audio summary, or maybe compare with past work. All of these things are basically going to help you to create a step-by-step sequential workflow, which is going to be important for you to prepare your strategic pitch. Now, there is one important note which also I want to highlight on this particular screen, that you must have a Microsoft 365 Chat Copilot license in order to use notebooks. There are chances maybe in your organization you do not have this license, then you won't be able to use notebooks. You must also have a SharePoint or a OneDrive license to create notebooks, because it's ultimately going to be stored inside that. And Copilot Notebooks is not available for personal Microsoft account. It is only for organizational Microsoft 365 account. So you cannot use it for personal or a family subscribers. So personal or a family subscribers cannot use notebooks. Now let's explore ideas and collaborate asynchronously with Copilot Notebooks. Now you can see right now in this slide, I'm trying to show you two things. First, if you are comparing two campaign strategies which you want input from your team, and then how you do this thing. First, you can go to notebooks and select create a first notebook, or maybe a newly notebook is going to be already available to you, then you can use that. Then enter the name of your notebook. Under the add reference section, you can choose one or more options. You can also search, like type a reference name and select add. You can use OneDrive, so you can pick it from a OneDrive files, or you can have a suggested files where select from Copilot suggestions and you can choose that file. Once you do this thing, you can use an upload or a link kind of an option where you can add a file or a link manually and you can select create to finish. Once you do this, you can use an example prompt like this, which is saying that compare the effectiveness of the influencer marketing versus paid ads for our targeted audience. Break down the pros and cons of each, consider cost, reach, and engagement, and summarize which might be more effective based on our recent campaign data. Capture key points so the team can review and add comments asynchronously. When you do this, your notebook is going to be ready with all these details which you have asked for. And your multiple team members can comment, can review, and can utilize this particular process flow. Well, how you can actually interact with your notebook, how you can utilize the maximum usage of the notebook with your team members, well, that answer is coming into this particular slide. You can interact with your notebook by maybe asking a question like, what are the top 3 insights from this notebook's content? Or maybe you can just ask for summarizing the content, create a bullet point summary of the most recent updates across all references. Or maybe you can take a notebook's help to draft a proposal. So you can say draft a proposal for a stakeholder update. Or maybe you can generate an audio overview. You can generate an audio overview of this notebook for listening during my commute. And when you do this, it's going to create an audio overview, which you can listen later on when you're traveling from one place to another place. You can also select a specific content, like maybe a marketing material, or you can create an overview of all the content as well. You can select the format, style, and the duration of the audio as well. Once you are in the audio player, you can change the playback speed, you can save it to OneDrive, or you can skip it forward and backward by 15 seconds, pause, or play the audio. All of these things are going to be available inside that. Now in this module, we are going to see how we can provide custom instructions to Copilot notebooks. Custom instructions in Copilot notebooks is going to give users full control over AI interactions. They allow you to define tone, format, style preferences, so your output consistency is going to match your communication standards. By storing these preferences alongside your Copilot memory, the system reduces repetitive prompts and personalizes responses across multiple tasks. Now, you can get answers about your notebook by doing the steps, like you can select your notebook, you can type your questions in the chat box, like summarize all info on influencer marketing in the US, and then you can select send. Your Copilot is going to provide an answer grounded on the reference in your notebook chat. Response is saved in the chat tab. After this, you can create AI-powered audio overview that transforms your content from your notebook into a dynamic conversation audio experience. Creating an audio overview of your notebook is going to add a dynamic layer to collaboration. Instead of relying solely on the text, you can record a concise spoken summary that highlights key insights, decisions, or next steps. This makes it easier for your stakeholders to absorb information quickly, especially in the fast-paced environments. Now let's focus on next thing, which is Copilot Pages, which is basically a shared project hub. Copilot Pages introduce a dynamic persistent canvas for AI to collaboration with Microsoft 365. Copilot Pages serves as a central space where business users can create, edit, and share AI-generated content without losing context. Instead of copying and pasting responses from chat, Copilot Pages is going to allow you to capture and refine outputs directly. It's making them durable and reusable across multiple workflows. This feature is designed to streamline content creation and collaboration by integrating seamlessly with Copilot Chat and other Copilot experiences. So with Copilot Pages, you can build your dynamic project pages with sections for goals, milestones, and risk. You can use Copilot to summarize documents and suggest structure, and you can also embed loop components for live task tracking. Remember one thing, Copilot Pages are integrated with Microsoft Loop and available in Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and the Microsoft 365 app. It facilitates collaboration, idea sharing, and progress tracking. Now let's focus on how to build a shared project hub for amplified collaboration. Now, let's assume that you have a Copilot pages, which is serving as a central hub for your team collaboration, which allows you to create, edit, and share AI-generated content in real time. You can use Copilot pages to organize project goals, track milestones, and capture key insights. Now, in order to use Copilot pages, you can open Copilot Chat. You can enter the prompt, which can be an example prompt like this, which you have seen in the right side. If you see, we can start with compare the effectiveness of influencer marketing versus paid ads for our target audience, break down the pros and cons of each, consider cost, reach, and engagement, and summarize which might be more effective based on our recent campaign data. Capture key points so the team can review and add comments asynchronously. Now, this is the same prompt which we have seen earlier as well. Once you do this, you can have a Copilot response where you can select the pages icon. You can select the edit in pages option, which we have not tried earlier. This creates a page and opens it side by side with the chat. You can continue your conversation with Copilot. Each new response can be added to the page by selecting Add to Copilot page. And this is how it's actually going to amplify your collaboration. Now, how we can collaborate in real time using pages. Microsoft 365 Copilot pages make collaboration simple and secure. So when you are ready to share, you can provide colleagues an access to your single page without exposing your entire Copilot chat session. Basically, whatever was there in the Copilot chat session, selectively you have added that into a page. And now the page is something which you can share it with your team members. Copilot chat session sharing options include a page link for a quick access in Teams, Outlook, and other apps, or maybe in the loop component that updates in real time with Microsoft 365. This ensures that everyone can contribute seamlessly without maintaining version control. Your pages also track edits and transparency and accountability. So this kind of a collaboration feature will help you to track edits, show who made the changes. You can also have a profile images or initial appear next to the edited text, and you can just hover over to see contributors' details and edits. You can convert your page to a Word document if you want. So you can select the Word icon in the upper right corner, and then your Copilot will prepare your draft for you to open in Word. Now, all of these utilities are basically going to help you to collaborate in real time with your team members more effectively and more accurately. With keeping all this in mind, let's move forward to our next demo in which we are going to see how we can use Copilot for Teams, how we can use Copilot pages, and how we can get associated with Copilot notebooks. Remember, some of these demos are not going to be having a premium feature enablement with that. So there are chances in your organization, certain features of this Copilot like Copilot notebooks and pages will not be available if you do not have the Copilot license.